Hey, math lovers, how are you? This question is 8 divided by 2 times 4. Most of people do it in the way that 8 divided by 2 times 4, 8. So 8 divided by 8 is equal to 1, which is wrong. This question will be solved according to PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS rule says that first of all we have to solve parentheses, as this parenthesis contain only a single digit, so we can write it 8 divided by 2 times 4. Now according to PEMDAS, multiplication and division both have same priority, but first we have to solve the function which is at left. Here division is at left, so we will perform division at first. So 8 divided by 2 will be equal to 4 times 4. So 4 times 4 will be equal to 16, which is our answer. Thank you.